Just been received there by the Commander Guard Brigade. We can see the presidential limousine being sandwiched there by the bagpipers. The occasion is very unique. The 63rd Independence Anniversary of our great nation, Nigeria.
Thank you so much. Just take a look at the honor and glory. A man accused of forging certificate. A man who, in a civilized society, will not come close to the office of the president. Just see the honor and glory he received today as he took the parade for the 63rd Independence Anniversary of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria. But this is a man that just rushed back to Nigeria. He had been in US, battling to see how the truth will be suppressed, battling to see how gender will be covered, no disclosure of gender, battling to see how the transcript will not be made public for people to see how certificate was forged. But look at the glory, look at the honor, look at the power demonstration. Do you see why politicians do everything possible to rig election? Do you see why Nigeria will continue to go backward, except we take back our country? There are certain offices we must strictly raise the standard. Men who will occupy those positions must come clean with. But look at this reality on ground now. That a man occupying the office of the president, the whole world make mockery of him. For one reason or the other. If not for gender issue, it will be for certificate forgery. It will be have to do with a forfeiture of 460,000. So many things coming up, hidden, which Nigerian people did not even know in the past. About one man. How in 1960 he had a case, but he's 71 years. So how come he was already in Chicago in 1960? So check it. By 1960, how old was he? That he was already in Chicago. That in 2023 he will be 71. These are the complications that stays a man who occupying the office of the president on the face. This is so terrible. It's so bad for Nigeria. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.
Shortly, His Excellency will be exchanging pleasantries